We are back. What's up, guys? Brian Monaco here from Monaco Auto Design, and today we're working on the Aston Martin Valkyrie, and specifically we're working on the interior. All the other videos I've done so far on my channel have been of the exterior. Wanted to switch it up a little bit and try out some interior specifications. So today I will be showcasing two different color schemes for this interior. They're definitely pretty wild, non-traditional specs. So at the end of this video, I want you guys to comment below, let me know which one you guys like the best. I always like to hear your guys' opinions on these kind of things. Also, don't forget to subscribe like always, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, there you have it. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like, whether this is blue interior or this green and white interior. Thanks again for watching. I'll be uploading more videos pretty soon, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time.